Crypto bros, this video is for complete beginners on how to trade on BingX exchange. If you're new to the market, if you're new to this channel, my name is Costa, welcome. And if you're in crypto now, congrats, I want to congrats to you, because look what's going on in the market. Okay, it looks like we're back in the game. It looks like next 2 years will be very good for crypto. So this is now the time to be in crypto, to get involved, to start getting involved as much as you can. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to trade on BingX exchange. We're gonna go through spot, futures, then copy trading. So if you're already experienced, familiar with what futures trading is, then you can skip this video, turn off, and go to my Bitcoin updates and just trade and just get involved in the market. Like I said, before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, DOR. So as you can see now, we're on the main page of BingX, a leading crypto exchange. They have one of the biggest volumes in the game. I'm not gonna show you exactly what volumes, but it's not KYC. They don't require KYC from you. I like the exchange. It's pretty simple to use. First thing that you want to do, of course, you need to have an account. If you haven't registered yet, or if you want to take part in the newbie lucky draw that is exclusive for my viewers, for people who watch this video, go down in the description of this video, register with my link, and if you do like these two steps, you get draws, okay? And in these draws you can win like one ETH. Okay, you can get like one ETH, 6 USD, 50 USDT, 100 USDT, etc, etc. So register with the link. Like you can see, here are the details. So until 15th. So as you're watching this video, there's maybe a week or something like that. Okay, so all you have to do, register, then do these tasks like volume of 500 USD. It's nothing. It's like 100 USDT, 5x leverage on the first future trades. Then the trading volume also 8K, not much. Okay, traded, like you can see, I'm at zero now because I haven't traded yet, but if I trade, this will accumulate here. I will have draws and I'll be able to win. Okay, so make sure to check this out. So the first thing, like I told you, you need to have an account. So if you already have your account on BingX, it's very simple. You basically go here to your account, you click deposit. If you have crypto, you click deposit here. If you don't have crypto, you click buy crypto. You have 3 different options to buy. You have a quick buy, you have P2P trading, a little bit more complex, and bank deposit with different currencies, like you can see, euros, Australian dollars, etc. Let's say you want to buy 1K, this is gonna cost you 900. So let's say you wanna buy like around 500 USDT. You have different options, bank card, P2P merchant, MoonPay. So it's that simple. You can use your card, P2P, whatever. Let's say, suppose you already have your account, you already have your funds, some crypto there on the account. What you want to do, you go to markets. Here you can see basically, like, let's say CoinMarketCap. Everybody knows CoinMarketCap. It's basically like that. You can see all cryptos. Then the newest listings will appear here at the top. So like token, recently a popular coin, meme. Now we're gonna go futures. It's very simple as well. Like you can see, if you see this for the first time, it might seem complicated to you, but it's really not that complicated. Okay, this is the main chart. You basically switch here between different trading pairs, USDT, ETH, XRP, USDC, whatever. If a coin is listed on the exchange, you're gonna find it here by searching whatever. Let's say Sol. Okay, and we have the Solana. Let's say we want to buy Solana. This is still spot. Remember that it's still spot. Buy, sell, market order, and limit order. The difference, I'm gonna leave it for you for the derivatives trading, but it's pretty simple. Okay, let's say you want to buy 500 USDT. You buy Solana, but we're not gonna do now. Now let's go to derivatives, perpetual futures, because this is the main part. If you're a trader, if you want to be a trader, most likely sooner or later you're gonna start using futures. I don't recommend it to anybody who is just starting. If you're just starting, use spot. If you're just starting, just buy crypto, hodl, start with Bitcoin, start with Ethereum. After time, if you start understanding how this works, if you start understanding selling, buying spot, using stop losses, then you might go to futures and start trading with leverage. But then also start with small leverage. Don't go for 20x, don't go for 30x, don't go for 50x. Start with 5x. If you're just starting, okay, then go to 10x. So let's break down everything that we can see here. BTC, once again, we basically choose between different pairs. It's very simple. The current price, the market price, index price, funding countdown, 24 hours high, so the highest price within 24 hours on this specific coin, this case Bitcoin. 24 hours low, pretty simple. 24-hour volume in BTC. So 44,000 Bitcoins has been traded within last 24 hours. So here we can see different time frames: 15M, 1M, 1H, 4H, 1D. So that means basically the one candle. If you're totally unfamiliar with trading, those are trading candles. So basically you change between different time frames. Let's say 1M means one candle is equivalent of 1 minute. Then 15M, one candle is equivalent of 15 minutes, etc., etc. 1 hour, one candle is 1 hour. Then here are different tools for the technical analysis. Let's say you want to put a trending line, and let's say you want to measure. Mostly I just check measurements to check percentages, etc. Those here are the same as you can find in TradingView. Most of you probably heard of TradingView. If you haven't heard of TradingView, the most popular platform for checking charts, for checking different trading pairs, etc. So here you can see the order book, the current order book, and trade with different amounts, times, etc. Pretty simple. Now, this is what you're gonna use for opening and closing your positions. Okay, so we're gonna, let's say 15x leverage, just to show you how I'm opening a trade, just as an example. What we're gonna have to do, because currently my USDT is in the fund account, I'm gonna just switch it to futures so that I can show you an example. And now, as you can see, it says available 1000 USDT. Market price and limit price. If you don't understand, limit price is basically, let's say Bitcoin is too much right now, but let's say I think 33,000 is a good price. So you basically set up a level on the price that you want to buy, okay? And once price goes to this level, the position will open automatically. Like you can see, don't remind me again, confirm, and the position has been open orders. Like you can see, if we get to 33,000 USD on Bitcoin, the position is going to be open. And you can see this line, this green line appeared in here, open long, 15x leverage, isolated margin, 0.19 BTC, and this is roughly around $7,000. So this 0.19 BTC is roughly around 7,000 USD, just because I opened half of the position, so it was like 500 USDT multiplied by 15, because we are using 15x leverage. So that's it. We're gonna cancel it now, because this is not the point, but I hope you understand it now. Now, stop loss and take profit. You wanna, let's say, open a long position. Let's go to 15M chart right now, zoom a little bit in. Right, just zoomed in a little bit to show you, and we're gonna open a long trade on market now, just to show you, and so that you understand what is take profit and stop loss. If you're not familiar, a stop loss is basically a certain level where your position is going to close if there is a loss. Okay, let's say I'm opening a long position now and put a stop loss on 34,500 USD, right? So somewhere here. So if price goes down to this level, the position automatically is going to close. And the same for take profit. If you set up take profit at, let's say, 35,500, then automatically your position is going to close in a profit once price hits this certain level. So we're gonna do it now. 15M chart, let's just open a random position. Once again, 50%, so it's gonna be let's say 0.3 BTC. So there is something like this. Let's say 35, take profit 35,100, and stop loss, let's say 34,830. Open position, like you can see, we have the position open. If you go to open orders, take profit, TPSL, basically take profit, stop loss. Stop loss, you can see here the trigger price is that you can change it at any time, and this is good about BingX. You can change it at any time. Let's say now we want to change stop loss to 34,730. Boom, has been changed, went down. Okay, let's say we want to change the take profit as well. Let's say whatever 150, and it's changed now. It's that simple. Okay. Equity, because the position has been opened, equity 993 USD, available margin, PNL. So it's very simple here on BingX, but I like to be honest, the simplicity. It's not very complicated. You can change your position while it's open, and I like that. Another thing that I want to show you, but we're gonna have to switch some funds back to funding account. And like you can see, we're gonna go now to wealth. The reason why I'm showing you this is because this is an interesting tool. They offer now those percentages on USDT, USDC, etc. So this is one interesting part, but there is also grid trading. And last 7 days APY on Cake was almost 6,000%. And the reason for that is basically because Cake has recently pumped around 2x, over 2x. Even over 2x. So this plus the APY that they offer on grid trading on BingX gave this return. So I'm just gonna quickly create now the spot grid. Let's say we're gonna put like 100 USD. We're gonna use auto, just create. The grids is 60, profit grid is that. Very simple. Let's just confirm, and just like that, it's been opened. Right, and coming back to our position. We are what? 1% in the profit, $6. I'm gonna close the position. It was just to show you plus 6 USDT. The position has been closed. Remember about the special event that BingX has brought to us. You can win up to 1 ETH. If you're planning to switch to BingX, or at least at some point try it, just try it with the link down below in the description and try winning the 1 ETH. I would say it's worth it. I would say it's totally worth to try. So thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.